everyone, this is Vivian Resnick with Berkshire Hathaway of Tampa, Florida. Thank you for watching today. If you've never subscribed to my channel, just click the red button below to receive weekly videos on various real estate topics. Today, I want to talk to you about home warranties. I'm with Laurie Lupke from 210 Home Buyers Warranty to discuss the benefits of home warranties as a buyer and a seller. So Laurie, let's talk about home warranties in general, and what do they typically cover?
Well, Vivian, home warranties are typically going to cover your major systems and appliances. That's your heating and air conditioning system, your refrigerator, your stove, your washer, dryer, dishwasher, also your plumbing system and your electrical system.
Nice. So what are the benefits of having a home warranty as a buyer?
Well, for people who are purchasing a property, typically they are gathering up all their funds and using them for the what we call the prepaids, such as the home inspection and the first year of homeowners insurance, and then all of their closing costs, including their down payment. So oftentimes, if they do have leftover monies, they have ideas for furniture and other things. They don't want to have to be spending it on systems and appliance failures. So this gives the buyers, it's like giving the buyers a $25,000 bank account that they can go to if they do have a systems or appliance failure. So the benefit is, of course, it gives the buyers that peace of mind knowing they have a proactive plan in place when those unexpected breakdowns happen. Because it's not if, it's when.
That's true. Great. Now, what do most home inspectors report when they're checking the HVAC system?
This is really important, Vivian. I'm glad you asked, because most home inspectors are generalists. They're not specialists. They are typically not going to have an HVAC license. And people do need a license in order to remove the cover of an HVAC system. Check the pressure to see if it's leaking. Just check for any animal intrusion. These are things that happen all the time, and people just wouldn't know if they don't have a specific HVAC inspection.
That's true. That's so true. So now, how many homeowners across the country do you think experience a failure of their HVAC system, and what's the average cost to repair?
Well, as you may imagine, the cost of the HVAC system is one of the highest costs in the home. We find that one in every 2.2 homes, so almost half of the homes across the country, will experience a failure of the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system this year.
Wow.
Almost half.
That's a lot.
And the average cost across the country is over $3,000
Wow.
for those breakdowns.
Wow. Those are good numbers to know. Now, for sellers, why would you recommend they sell their home and offer a home warranty?
Well, for sellers, we know that homes that are listed and marketed as having a warranty to the buyer will sell on average $2,300 more.
Wow.
And also, they do sell faster. I believe the number is, actually I have it right here so I can quote it. It's 11 days faster.
Wow. That's fabulous. So now, do homes, well, I was just going to ask you that, but you've covered it. If homes sell faster with a home warranty, and you've said they do, so that's really great to hear.
And Vivian, I just want to say for sellers, because I know we're in a seller's market right now, and a lot of times sellers are thinking that they're going to sell the home pretty quickly anyways, for top dollar anyways, but it's not just about getting the home under contract, it's about getting it all the way to the closing. And with the as-is contract nowadays, a lot of buyers experience a great deal of anxiety during that right to inspect, right to cancel period. and the home warranty is very helpful to keep the transaction on track so it stays on time, and that way it gets to the closing table. So
and a smoother closing.
yes, fewer problems. Fewer problems.
Wonderful. Is there anything else that you want to tell us about home warranties for buyers or sellers?
Vivian, I just want to mention that the 210 home buyer's warranty is the most aggressive plan on the market today. It's $25,000 worth of coverage. For $540 for a single family home is our top of the line supreme protection plan. It's very aggressive, and this product is only available through realtors. People cannot purchase this unless
Really?
through a realtor, yes.
Oh wow, I did not know that. That's really great to know. Well, thank you so much, Laurie. I really appreciate your time.
Thank you, Vivian Resnick. It's been my pleasure.
This is Vivian Resnick with Berkshire Hathaway of Tampa, Florida. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in listing your home and having your home featured on my YouTube channel, give me a call. You can find me at vivianresnick.com. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can find my handles below or click the red button to subscribe for weekly videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week.